what up, YouTubers? It's me, Busy Bee, and I'm back with another wig review. This time I am giving you the Instant Up Down, and that's a sensational unit. It is the UD2. That's the style I'm giving you, UD2. And I had been seeing it. I kept saying I'm gonna try it, and then I got it. And because it comes in two pieces, because it comes with the back part, which is like your half wig, and it comes with your pony part, I actually was just rocking the ponytail for like a minute. If you actually go to my Instagram at It's Me Busy Bee, you will see all the cute little ponytail styles I was doing. I was just rocking that whole ponytail baby hair thing hard with just the top part. Like, it's enough here that it makes it still look cute. You can do it either as a high ponytail, as a middle ponytail, as a low ponytail. So I love the fact that I feel like I've got a 2-for-1. You know, you get this ponytail unit and you don't have to necessarily use the other part of the unit. Okay, so I'm actually like, I love it. I think this is cute. If you want to know about the shades, go to my boutique, Shop Be Extra on Instagram, or www.shopbeextra.com. But yeah, this is the Instant Up Down. So I liked UD2 because I thought this was the one I could play with the most in terms of the curl pattern of this unit. You know, they had the straight one, they had a bunch of other ones, but I felt like this one would look really cute. It gives you that young bop feel, you know what I'm saying? Like, ew. So I'm definitely in love with this unit. Okay, to start off, I've got to separate my top ponytail from the downside. So I'm gonna part my hair, which I'm not the best at, but you do, it works. And then I'm gonna braid the back part. And you guys stay tuned for the rest of it, all right?